street food with a sea view. Let's start the vlog. Where are we going?
With you at the end of the world.
Hola.
But now,
Hola.
On the edge
Buenos
of the world.
días.
but today,
And today we are going, well, we are flying to Riga.
Vamos a Riga. Os lo voy a traducir todo el rato porque no saben español.
4:30. Un café, por favor, gracias.
¿Qué es más saluda? ¿Qué más?
el agua.
Agua.
No, pero no tipo de agua.
No sé qué.
We arrived in Riga. We are in Riga and we are on our way to the hotel. It's almost here, it's 2 or 3 minutes from here. From the airport we took a bus. For the bus system we took a 5 days card because we will stay 5 days. It costed us 10 euros per person. Kids are paying as well. Kids are free only till 7 years. And if you are a tourist from 7 years, you have to pay as for an adult. There are no special prices. If you are coming for less, then for 3 days it is 8 euros. And for 1 day pass, it is 5 euros. And it includes all public transportation. We decided to go with public transportation and not to rent a car. Because when we took our hotels, because today we will stay in one hotel, tomorrow in another one, we decided that it will be easier to go there and forth. We are staying at this hotel this night and tomorrow we will move on with another one. Because tomorrow we will stay only 3 of us, today we are staying all 4 of us. We decided to go on the other side because it looks prettier. We suppose that on the other side it is not the entrance. Here we see Bellevue and this is our hotel. I like the greenery that we have here in Riga. It is super beautiful. The hotel is a 4-star superior hotel that is located only 1.7 kilometers from the city's old town. It offers spa facilities, a fitness room and free Wi-Fi. As well, it offers free on-site parking, but because we were using the public transportation, we didn't use it. Our fare included as well the bed and breakfast, so the breakfast I will share later. The rooms have all air conditioner and are furnished in wooden furniture. Each room comes with a minibar, workspace and a flat screen cable TV. All have a bathroom with a bath or shower and a hair dryer. As well, more details about this hotel I will share in the next video on the channel, where I will share more in detail about this hotel. We are going to the lunch. We opted for a convenient lunch, so it was not so far from our hotel, this pizzeria, and it has very nice reviews. This is why we decided to go there. We are here to say that the pizza was delicious. We all four of us took the same pizza and we enjoyed it. It was lunch and dinner at the same time because we arrived late at the hotel and as well arrived late for the lunch. And it was great enough because later on we moved on to the old town and we had plenty of energy with this pizza. After the lunch, we moved to the Riga city center. It is the vibrant heart of Latvia, combining medieval charm with elegant Art Nouveau streets and the modern city life. The historic Riga, or Old Town, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, full of cobblestone lanes, colorful houses, and landmarks like the Riga Cathedral, St. Peter's Church, and the House of Blackhead. Riga's city center is compact and walkable, with easy access by trams, buses, and trolleybuses, making it perfect to explore in 1 or 2 days. So this was our first day, and it was only the first evening that we enjoyed only a part of the old town, and later on this vlog I will share another day that we went as well to the old town, but we explored the parts of the old town that we haven't visited during this first time. Rosena Street is one of the narrowest streets in Old Riga, Rosena Yela. Then you will find out later close by the Museum of Barricades is at the corner of Kramo Street and Rosena Street, very near Rosengrals. Dome Square and Riga Cathedral, Riga Dome are also quite close. After a pleasant short walk through the city center of Riga, we decided to come back to the hotel to relax and to get a good sleep, because on the next day Mark is playing and we decided that we need some rest, everyone, because we haven't slept enough during the first night as we had our flight early in the morning. One of the things that we see here in Riga is that when the tram is stopping, all the cars are also stopping because people are waiting at the station like there, and they have to pass through the road. So all the cars till the tram starts to go are waiting till all the passengers are getting out and inside of the tram. So the tram is hitting and the cars are going as well, and it really doesn't matter about the anything that it is. So I think that it is a rule that everyone just know about it. Without tram you can see that the cars are passing by without any issues. Here is our breakfast at the hotel. Very interesting one. We didn't expect to have such a huge variety of food, and it is very specific to Baltic food, which was an interesting experience too. Our second day in Riga. We took our breakfast, did the checkout, and we are going to another hotel because from this night and onwards we will stay 3 of us together. This is our hotel for the rest of the stay in Riga. We left our luggages here and went straight to the place where Mark will be sleeping. and after it to the game. Our next stop was Lido Cafeteria. It is a buffet-style restaurant. You pick your food from a variety of dishes, you take your portions, and you serve traditional Latvian and Baltic food. For example, here is the food that we have taken. It is very similar as well to the food that we are used in Moldova. For example, this sweet deliciousness were very similar to the Moldovan one.
Luxury suite. I'm out.
On the next day we went to Jurmala. Some of the parents just proposed this place to go. It is a resort town on the Baltic coast of Latvia and it is about 25 kilometers west of Riga. We went by cars, so some parents took us. This place is known for its long white sand beaches, pine woods, wooden houses and spa wellness resorts. Very nice place. On our last day walking around the old town and enjoying these charming streets of Riga city center. Beautiful historic buildings, cozy cafes and the city's lively atmosphere all around. So we are walking through the old town of Riga. Today is the big holiday here. It is the city, is the day of the city, and we are enjoying the crowds. Eating in Riga. Be like.
Street
Street food.
food.
Street food with a sea view. Well, not sea view, river view, even though very beautiful. Over there, it is the National Library. Here is the Radisson Blu, and we were staying behind this building on our first night. What did you say?
It's very dark when you see it. It's super dark. Black.
Mm.